Hi, I'm Sanjana and I made Southwestern chicken pasta salad, which serves 10 people. Okay, so the ingredients are, a half package of rotini pasta, which has a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil mixed in, a 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of chili powder to taste, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1½ cups of whole kernel corn, 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed, 1/2 cup diced green bell pepper and 1/2 cup diced red bell pepper, and for garnish, 1/2 cup fresh cilantro leaves and 1 cup chopped Roma tomatoes, and 3 chicken breasts. Okay, so I mixed everything in the pasta and then took out my own serving for dinner. And for garnish, just some tomatoes and some cilantro. And now to eat. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!